If you're a little familiar with the Marvel movies, you've probably seen Captain America's ultra-cool shield. Well, one man has managed to recreate a fully working Captain America shield. Let's see how he did this. First, he made a prototype of a glass fiber ring with some plastic in the middle, that resembles and has the same function as a Frisbee. Using these super elastic and lightweight materials, the first prototype could already fly very well and bounce off walls. To make the prototype look more like Captain America's real shield, he made a larger version of it. And it actually still worked pretty well. To make this prototype much stronger, he decided to exchange the inner plastic part for real carbon fiber. This looked something like this. The prototype still worked very well at this project stage, so he decided to give it some Captain American colors. Now there was only one thing missing in the project, and that was this. Of course, this could not be missing, so he added a few magnets to the shield and an arm piece. Now the final test. Is the replica shield similar to Captain America's real shield? Let's have a look. It's pretty close to the real shield if you ask me. This is the end of this video. Please leave a like and a comment if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more of this. I want to thank this creator for making this great video. All credits go to him. If you are curious to see the full version of this video with all the details and many more great clips, you can find it on his channel. The link is in the description. See you in the next video. Bye.